Alright, those using a auto harness, when you do a 5-speed swap, this is how I jumpered my plug here. I did not have reverse lights. This harness doesn't have reverse lights. Still got your speedometer. It's got your O2 sensors and all that stuff here on your auto harness. This plugs up into the engine harness. But these are the two wires I jumpered, and that's how I did it. And that got rid of the neutral safety switch, so the car would still start up with the 5-speed in it. I now have, and that's the auto transmission for it, but I have a 5-speed in that car, but I have the harness. This car I got right here that I built into a drag car was a 5-speed car, and I stole the harness to put in that car. So anyways, that's the harness. You can make a jumper. I just had some electrical tape wrapping this up, and it worked. I'd driven it for a couple hundred miles before I bought this car here, and switched that out, and it worked just fine. The AOD light blinks, but in the tune, I had a tuned SCT X4 on it, so of course that car has a blower on it, so I mean it needed a tune with 42-pound injectors and so on. But this is how I jumpered it. Hope it helps. I'll try to answer any questions you have.